Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add a recovery email in a Gmail on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, firstly here, of course, I'm going to open my Gmail applications. And now if you want to add a recovery email, just go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner. Now tap on manage your Google account. And after, you just have to scroll it down until you'll find here the option which is security and sign in. Just go ahead. And after in this page, scroll it down until you'll find here the option which is recovery email. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now just enter your password first here guys. If you're done, tap on the next button here at the bottom. In this page, tap again add recovery email. And after, enter your email that you want to make as a recovery email. If you're done, tap on the save button here at the bottom. And after, here you just have to check for the email that you want to use as a recovery email, the verification code. Here I'm going to check it first. And this is the verification code here guys. I'm going to enter it. And after, tap on this verify. And as you can see, this recovery email verified. So this email is already as a recovery email on my Gmail account. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.